Did you know global real estate AI market is projected to surpass? Did you know global real estate AI market is projected to surpass 1.5 billion by 2027? Today, 25 to 60% of tech-savvy professionals already using AI for initial property interaction, with many seeing instant 24/7 response rate faster than most humans can answer a phone call. So why AI? It's 24/7, faster response time, 20% higher appointment rates than normal person booking the call. Building voice AI is easier than you think. Okay, so in this video I'm going to developing voice AI, and I'm going to break the myth that voice AI is complex, but it's simpler than ever. Okay, it's just a prompt. We have to just feed a prompt and voice AI is generated. So record a transcript. So what I have done is I have hacked others people voice AI. What I have done, I have recorded the call transcript and I've said ChatGPT, yeah, give me the exactly same kind of thing better than this one. So it has given me the better transcript, yeah, better for this creation. And I refined it, and again I tested it, and again I refined it, and this way I have a fully functional voice AI created. So no coding required, it's just improvement of the prompt. Okay, based on your feedback. Okay, inside GoHighLevel only we have the transcript of the call, and we just check the transcript. And once we check the transcript, what happened is we can just, based on our feedback, natural feedback, we can improve it, we can improve the prompt. And once we keep on training this, it will become very much pro, and it will book like 4, and it will work 24/7. After this video you will understand, yeah, it's very easy to set up voice AI, and I will be covering this in two parts. One is first part I will set up inside GoHighLevel, and second part we will use another tool for creation of voice AI, that is OneBox AI, where we will discuss how we can make outbound calls also. So that is a game changer. Okay, so if you are doing prospecting, then it is useful. Otherwise, for voice AI, you can just check which one is better. We will compare both voice AIs of GoHighLevel and OneBox AI. Today we are going to focus here about the GoHighLevel. We will see how I have created the prompt, and once I created the prompt, what are the possibility, how much time does it take for creation of chat instruction of voice AI. Just check out the video now.
Now I have recorded this conversation. Now I can hack it. So it is the transcript here inside the loom. I have just copied this here. Now I'll go to ChatGPT. So I have a voice AI prompter. I will go to that voice AI prompter inside this sheet. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Okay. I want to create a voice AI prompt. Okay. This is voice AI prompter. I will paste it. I want to create like this, but better with improvement. That's it, and it will do the work for me. Create voice AI prompt. Voice AI prompt for this. So it is building this voice AI prompt. So you can see objective, inquiries about available property, rules of handling, confirmation protocol. So it has given me the exact one, but I don't want that. I will tell I need similar kind of thing, but not exact. Create better prompt, better prompt to my business. This is not my take my company name as real estate intelligence. Real estate intelligence. Let's do that now. So it is giving me. So it has modified me this one. As you can see,
Hey, we have just covered the complete prompt creation part. So once prompt is ready, prompt creation can be done by manual ways also, and we can improve with transcript also. So now we are going to cover how we can set up inside GoHighLevel right now. Okay, so just stay till the end, you will find more.
so this is the thing I have created my prompt. Now I'm going to copy this prompt here. Okay, this is the place I will copy this. Once I copy this, I will go to my account. Okay, I will go to settings. Inside the settings, voice AI agent. Now I'm going to upload this document inside my voice AI. That's it, and my job will be done. So I will go here. Okay, this is another sub account. I will go to another one. So this is the sub account, and let's do this for this one. So you see, I have this agent details. Okay, so this is the voice AI. Now I want to modify this. This is the voice you can see here.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
So I can change the name from Samantha to Natasha. Let's see this.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Okay, so let's change this now. And okay, then save it. Okay, here we have to put agent name, business name, language, voice, and time zone. Okay, after that, this is the agent code. Okay, agent code. And to edit the prompt, I have to, this is the thing I have to enter here. Control A, Control B. And that's it. My prompt has been edited. I have copied the prompt, you can see here. Okay, and let's do these things. Okay, update the call transfer also. You can apply, if you want to transfer the call, you can name, this is the action name. For example, you want call transfer if someone insists that I want to talk to the owner. So action name, talk to owner. Here, which is the number you want to transfer, and when this transfer to place. So you have to, so the user wants to talk to manager of the business, so then the transfer, and what to say before transferring the call. So you have to do that. That is one part. And the next is trigger a workflow. If you have an automation, you can put the automation name here, and when it will be triggered. So it's very simple to do everything. Okay, whatever you want, and send an SMS. So what is the action name, message input, when it should take place. So these are the actions we can take you to this one. Okay, so in this way I have created this one. Now I will save this here, and once I save it, I will call this number and check if it is working or not. So this is the phone and availability. Here you can set any working hours. I will not switch it off. So if you are having certain active hours, you put this on. Otherwise, you switch it off. And it is, you want 24/7, then it will be active 24/7. If you want to set it, then you have to set the hours. You can click here. Then you have to select this hours, working hour for this agent. But this agent is active 24/7. Now the dashboard and logs, where we can see all the calls. Let's first do the call. I will go to another sub account to do the call here. So I'm going to go here, this one. So we can test the agent here also inside this one. So let's test this here. Let's call me. Hello. Hello.
You have reached Real Estate Intelligence Inc. How can I help you today?
So I am a buyer and I'm looking for a property. Can you help me with this?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you find the perfect property. Could you tell me a bit more about what you're looking for, like the location, budget, and any specific features you have in mind?
I have a $5,000 budget. Can you tell me a property suitable in any location you have?
With a budget of $5,000, it might be challenging to find a property for purchase. However, there could be options for land or smaller investments. Would you like me to explore any specific areas or types of properties?
I am looking near Vegas, something like that, nearby property, or uh, in my budget,
Got
whatever you
it.
can
You're
offer.
looking for with a budget of $5,000, options might be limited for purchasing property in or near major cities. However, we could explore opportunities like small plots of land or perhaps investment shares in real estate projects. Would you be interested in exploring any specific type of investment?
Let me explore something about. I have okay. Let's keep this aside. I am having a property to sell also. So I want to sell that property and then buy from you a bigger budget. So can you help me with that also?
Of course. I can definitely help you with selling your property and then finding a new one with a bigger budget. Could you share some details about the property you're looking to sell, like its location and key features?
It's in Vegas and it's near the sea beach, and I think it is in $1 million. But I have purchased it before, but now I want to. Uh, I have a financial constraint, so I want to sell it, and I buy it as smaller budget one, and then I will do that. So what is your thing? How you will help me finding this property, and what is the estimated budget you think of?
All right, so you're looking to sell your property in Vegas and then purchase a smaller one. Once you sell, do you have an estimated budget range in mind for the new property?
Uh, so
No worries.
property I can up to invest 50% of the sale amount, and I can buy it. So 50% I will keep for my financial things, and 50% I will invest in the property. Can you help me with this?
Absolutely. So you'll be using 50% of the sale amount for your new property investment. Once we have an idea of your property's selling price, we can determine the budget for your next purchase. Would you like assistance with estimating the current value of your Vegas property?
Uh, yes, you can tell me that.
Great. To get an accurate estimate, I'll need some more details about your property, like its size, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any unique features. Can you share those with me?
It is 4 BHK villa, and it's sea facing. So can you tell me now what is the estimated thing you can sell for me?
A four-bedroom villa with a sea-facing view in Vegas sounds fantastic. Villas like this can vary widely in price, but they often range from several hundred thousand to over $1 million, depending on the exact location and condition. For a more precise estimate, I recommend getting an appraisal or consulting with a local real estate agent. Would you like help connecting with one?
Okay, that will be great. So it is in flood prone zone. Is it? It will affect that also. Pricing will be slighter down. How you will suggest me? Because I want good price.
Being in a flood-prone zone can indeed impact the property's value, as it might affect buyer interest and insurance costs. To get the best price, you could highlight any flood mitigation measures you've taken, or consider improvements that enhance its appeal. Would you like some tips on how to maximize your property's value before selling?
Yeah, you can do that. So let's do it for me. That will be great. So see, you can see here it has performed really amazing and beyond my expectations, and I have built it in few minutes, and that's it. So here we can see the transcript of the call because duration was less, so I just couldn't complete this because it's provide 10 minutes only right now, free one. So then you can see the transcript here, and we can analyze this one. That's thing, and the recording also. You see here, recording I think it is not available. Summary: user inquired about buying. All these things are there, and that's really amazing. Okay, so we can do that now. So it's completely ready, and we have built in few minutes.
Okay, let's summarize. In this quick walkthrough, we have seen fully functional voice AI agent for real estate using user-friendly dashboard. Prompt setup, we have copied, edited custom prompts to guide AI conversation. So the possibility is endless as we can create a prompt. Now prompt creation is very easy. We have various tools like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini. There are lots and lots of tools, and anyone can create a best prompt. The agent configuration, we just have to copy paste this, and that's it. The proper once prompt is done, then action and workflow can be triggered. Call transfer to manager agent, SMS replies, all workflow triggers are possible. Call forwarding to, okay, so suppose a business owner is having phone number and he wants to forward this to AI agent, that also we can do here. So buyer can be closed on automation with your knowledge base. Okay, so your knowledge base is fed inside this prompt, and once we have inside the prompt also in another document also, if you have a brand guide, we can put that brand guide inside this. So basically the main motivation is that you can set this voice AI in within 5 to 10 minutes. Now the possibility of with voice AI is very much endless, as you see. So we built smart conversational AI also, same procedure. Okay, we have to feed the prompt, that's it. So whether you are a realtor, broker, property investor, this is an answering system. This is a lead conversion machine that works 24/7. Also check out part second, where I will be covering outbound. Also here you cannot make outbound. There is a tool called OneBox AI where we can have outbound call also. You can also check out that video. Okay, in the next part you can see that, and check the link in description. You will see how you can create an account inside GoHighLevel, and you can create uh, your voice AI agents. So that's it. Go explore the possibility now.